What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Larry here, and today I'm back at Hardees. I'm here getting some breakfast, trying their brand new French toast dipsticks. Currently a deal, $3. Can't beat $3. Got them right here. Let's see what they look like, shall we? Okay. It looks kind of like a mozzarella stick, but it's French toast. I mean, like mozzarella stick, like as in size. But they look like mozzarella sticks. I smell the powdered sugar. They definitely smell like French toast. I can't get over how much this looks like a mozzarella stick. I love mozzarella sticks. And they include 1 cup of Sour's breakfast syrup. So, I'm assuming this is just regular maple syrup. We will find out. It looks like regular maple syrup. So yeah, for $3 you get 5 of these little French toast dipsticks. Enough foreplay, let's get into it. Little dip action here. Check that out. Oh wow. Oh geez, these are delicious. Now, if you've seen the channel, and you know typically a lot of my solo videos, at least lately, have been breakfast vids. And I'm a French toast fiend. French toast is one of my favorite breakfast foods, and let me tell you, for $3, these Hardees French toast sticks are absolutely delicious. Nice, mildly crunchy outside, mildly crunchy outside. Does that make sense? You'll know what I'm talking about. Nice, airy, and soft on the inside. I mean, I don't know if you really pick that up. It's essentially lightly breaded French toast, how I would describe this. Wow, these are a lot better than I was expecting them to be. And that's not a knock to Hardees, but for a fast food restaurant, these sticks are phenomenal. And they're only $3. Some little powdered sugar there. I'm dripping everywhere. I can't say it enough. These are phenomenal. Now, if you're like me and you get full fast, I mean, this order has 5 sticks in it, so this is definitely gonna fill me up, at least until lunchtime. But this is one of those items that you wouldn't expect to be as good as it is, but they're absolutely delicious, and I'm not just saying that. Normally when I get French toast, it's like at an actual sit-down restaurant, but heard about these at Hardees. Me being the French toast fiend I am, had to try them out. Hardees could even charge a few more bucks for these. Not too much more, but $3, that's a hell of a deal. If you love French toast and you have a Hardees near you, you need to swing through there and get you some of these French toast dipsticks. They're amazing. They're freaking delicious. And I'm not exaggerating. These taste like they were just cooked. They're nice and fresh. I'm not just overhyping it. These are really good. Lick the syrup off the hands. These are amazing for fast food French toast. How can you not love French toast is my question. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also tap the wonderful bell so you can be notified when we post new videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to go to theedibleadventures.com to pick up official merch. Help support us. Follow us on Instagram at theedibleadventures. And guess what? This is the end screen. There's a little button to subscribe to our channel and links to some other videos. Check them all out. And we'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.